Hello students. Today I am going to discuss the topic adjectives or describing words. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. That means it tells us something more about a noun or a pronoun. বস্তুটো কেনেকুৱা হেতুৰ বিষয়ে বেছিকে কয়. An adjective is also known as describing word. Adjective comes before or after a noun. What does it mean? Describing words মানে কি? এটা নাউনৰ বিষয়ে আৰু বেছিকে কয়. তাত কি আছে, কেনেকুৱা, কি বস্তু হেতুৰ বিষয়ে বেছিকে কয়. Okay? Let's take some examples. Boy. He is a small boy. He is wearing a yellow jacket. He has big eyes. His shoes are red. He is happy. Now, in these lines, which are the adjectives here? Small, yellow, big, red, happy. These are the words that are describing about the noun boy. Okay? These are the adjectives. Next come girl. She is a cute girl. She has long hair. Her hair is brown. She is wearing a blue frock. Now, here you can see that the words cute, long, brown, blue. These are the descriptive or describing words. Okay, students? Next come ball. Now tell me, what is the shape of a ball? Yes, the shape of a ball is round or circle. Now what is the color? Here you can see many colors are there, isn't it? And it is a big ball. So it describes about a ball. This is a parrot. It is green in color. The beak is orange. It is a beautiful bird. Now in this picture you can see that the words green, orange, beautiful are the adjectives for the parrot, isn't it? Then comes elephant. It has two big ears. It has a long trunk. It is grey in color. It is a big animal. Now in this picture you can see the words too big, long, big, grey. All these words are adjectives that describes an elephant. It is a hut. Hut mane jupuri. It is a small hut. It is brown in color and it has one window. Okay, all these words small, brown, one, it describes the what? It describes the picture of the hut, how it is. Now let's take the picture of a house. It is a big house. And what is the color of the house? It is pink color. If I ask you how many windows are there, you can say that there are many windows. So this type of words are adjectives that describe the noun what? House. Now see this picture. Here is a man sitting on the bench. He is an old man. He is wearing a brown jacket. His shoes are yellow and he is very sad. Yes? So this is describing the old man. When we talk about adjectives, many words come out. Just like colors. Many colors. Red, yellow, green, indigo. All these are adjectives. When we talk about sound, that is also a part of adjectives. Now see the color of the cap. What is it? Red. Red is your adjective. See the picture? Loud noise. What type of noise? Loud noise. That loud noise is your adjective. Noisy class. Yes? Let's talk something about shapes. Different types of shapes. Yes? These are all adjectives. When we talk about numbers, these are also known as part of adjectives. Okay? See? Numbers 1, 2, 3. These are all adjectives. When we talk about shapes, circle, square, triangle. Yes? These are all adjectives. Touch. Touch means kiba eta bostu sui pelai ami kenikwa palo. Tan, kumol, hoine, lehuka. All these things are touch. These are adjectives. When we talk about weather, weather is also a part of adjectives. This is a soft toy. Kenekwa toy? Soft toy. That is your adjective. Rainy season. It is raining today, isn't it? Rainy. This is your adjective. Taste words. What? আমি খাই কেনেকুৱা পাইছোঁ? টেঙা, মিঠা, জ্বলা. All these things are adjectives. See, sweet, sour, salty, isn't it? Bitter. All these things are adjectives. So students, did you understand what is adjectives? Huh? Thank you so much.